So, hi guys! Today's video, mag-unboxing po tayo. Meron akong grasya na natanggap. Galing sa langit. Galing sa kaibigan ko pala. Ayan. Mag-unboxing po tayo guys. Saan ba ako titingin? Ito. Mag-unboxing po tayo. Kaya, panoorin nyo guys. Let's start! So, ayan guys, mag-start na po tayo. Bubuksan muna natin yung box. Siyempre, si Bunso po yung magbubukas. Excited. Yan. Slowly, later on, you can go and cut everything inside. So, watch us guys. Tan-tananan!
Hindi ako itong lugar. Kemek anjir.
So, ayan guys, partially na nating nabuksan. Wait. Show what is inside. It's just like putsong, guys. Okay, take it off from the box. Ayan. Nakikita ang ating mga sinampay. Ayos lang yan. Alam problema dyan. Ayan. Dandahan, baka you can cut everything inside. It's just like cutting they really wrap it nicely guys. I don't know if inside this is
Bala butol.
the packaging is really really secured. After the plastic
Kaba.
after the plastic, what is this already take it off?
Isa da.
OMG!
Yung to rin.
This thing is already out from the box. So, we don't know what happened, guys. So, let us see. Let's find out. Slowly. I think they go and open it. Why this one open? Look, the box is already open, but we don't know what happened. So, everything is...
Kali niya nang hindi kaluwa. Atau punya tercici.
I don't know what happened, why everything is out and then the box is already open. So let's find out if the stuff is in good condition. So let's start. Boy, stop playing first.
Buka niya. Buka tolong. Dah.
So slowly, later on broken.
Sumi aja. Tentu ya ketinggiannya.
It's adjustable, right?
Ini pada sih mau buka betul-betul.
Kan, that one have to push back, push down.
Hah?
Wait first.
Suka jamnya. Pelik juga. Jom kita berpikir. Kemana kita nak letak benda ni? Kenapa dia boleh buka? Oh. Dia boleh buka. Kita panggang ke sini. Oh, tentu tidak. Jadi ini untuk apa?
So guys, the problem now is we don't know what to put because there is no instruction on it. So we just try to find it out. Just wait until we can find out how to install this thing. So ayan na guys, naayos na natin. Ayan. Bendable pala tong ano, pwede palang i-bend natin yung ano ito. Kaya, ayan o, pwedeng ganun siya, pwede siyang ganyan. So, ayan, na-connect na natin. Pwede rin siyang pahaba, guys. May nut siya dito sa likod para, ano, pahabain siya. So, ayan. Iti-testing natin ngayon kung workable ba siya. Ayan, tingnan natin. So, ayan. It's light on. Ayan, nag-lights na siya, guys. So, the color is changeable. Okay.
Meja. Oh, tak ya. Brightness.
Okay, so you can adjust the brightness of the light and then change the color. So you can adjust. And so this ring light is ready to rumble. And so this is it. LED ring fail lights. Yan. Ayan. So this is it, guys. So we already. So I wanna say thank you to Michelle. Ayan, Michelle. Salamat sa pagbigay mo sa akin ito at nakakatulong to. Sabi mo kasi ano, gaganda ako dito, di ba? Tingnan natin mamaya kung gaganda ako. Well, thank you so much, Nak Michelle Bulaong, for sharing your blessings to me. And also, thank you for giving me the R8 sound card. Thank you so much for that. And thank you so much for my green screen. Okay. Don't mind my table. My table now is messy. Afterwards, I'll fix it up later. So that's it, guys. We successfully installed the ring light. So this is it, guys. I have the ring light and so happy for this. Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, Michelle. Thank you so much. Last year, guys, one of my friend give me a V8 set, and this my daughter go and she said she wanna do the unboxing, but then after that she unboxing the thing. After that she go and delete the video. Okay, so we don't have the unboxing for the V8 of Jerilyn Chai that she has given to us last year. So because Anissa is, I think she accidentally delete the video. So guys, this is it. I got the ring light. Successfully installed the ring lights. Yahoo! I got ring light, guys. My dream. One of my dreams. My ring light. So I'm gonna test it later. At night I got live for my up live. So we'll see you that, guys. So we go and testing first. So that is how it goes, guys. Peace, brother. So that's it, guys. The setting. So I can use it like that. Okay, so
Gelap.
never mind. This later on got light also, right? Okay. So that's it, guys. Our ring light. But in the screen it look good. In the screen in your phone. Yeah.
Hey, camera me biasa lah.
But of course, here is different. Okay guys, so that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please do like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell so you will be updated at my next video. Thank you. Bye. See ya. Love, love.